and two-tone. I like that. Wagon, I like it. What is up? It's been a crazy week. Going to Chris's house, and we're gonna go put the try to figure out what's wrong with the clutch, and then I gotta take the Lancer down, get 4 tires because all of them are unmatched. Just yeah, somebody threw it together. So I was watching a video by that dude in blue. He did a review of a Forester similar to mine, but full STI swap and manual transmission, running 1100 horsepower. That's some gold right there. You think I should make that turd 1100 horsepower, or at least 7? 7 would be a good number. Anyways, I made these and put these in the window for the GMC. Love the clarity of this thing. Alright. Now to go to Chris's house. Yeah. I wonder if my neighbors hate me. The car is kind of loud. I haven't heard nothing bad. I usually don't leave until around 10:30. So, yeah. Usually I don't leave super early, so it's not waking anybody up.
10 seconds later.
Alright. Got some Pure Zero grape and mango guava. Never tried that one. I don't remember. So, yeah. Alright. Let's go do this. Never understood these keys. Like, the GT has push button. The other one has a push button. But mine does not. It takes a key. Why Dodge? Project that I helped him buy. 1949 Plymouth Deluxe. So truck, he's gonna clean up and sell. I'm not badass. There's Chris.
346 minutes later.
Alright, got the clutch somewhat adjusted. Wasn't much to film in there, so I didn't do a whole lot of video on it, but I have to order a mirror because it's broke, and the AC knob, and then that should be ready to go. That should be all cleaned up. I ordered getting new tires. We'll do that tomorrow, and then I gotta put these on the GMC so that they can go. So I guess I'm going to continue this video tomorrow when we go get tires and get it all taken care of. Alright, see you tomorrow. Well, I'll be back tomorrow. You'll be back in like, apparently the video isn't ready for tomorrow yet. Got for sale signs on there, nice and crispy clean. And I was smart enough to put a little QR code. So when you scan it, It goes to my Craigslist ad. Talks about all the cool stuff. So, the one in the back doesn't show that well, but I might. No, I don't want to put it in there. I think 2 and then the one there. Alright, okay. Alright, good to go.
3 days later.
Morning. It's a nice sunny day out. Not as hot as it was yesterday. Yesterday was hot as balls. My sticker. I don't know if I've showed you guys that, but yeah. We're gonna head up to Chris's house, get the Lancer and put tires on it, because all 4 tires are mismatched and not even the right size. So let's go do that, and then maybe have the invoice sold already. So let's go do that. Oh yeah, then we gotta talk a little bit more. Anyways, well, first I got glasses. Let's see, where do I start? I guess the first one is the 300. I lost money on that one. That was such a crap deal. I don't blame Matt, because it was my decision to pull the trigger and buy it. But yeah, I lost money. I lost about $600 on that deal. Just parts. It was stupid. So that one does suck. I made a loss. But it was sold, it's gone. The Subaru, of course, is still broken. I think it's a Cadillac converter, because every time I try to do a heavy boost, wide open throttle, the Cadillac converter starts to heat up and the temp gauge starts to go up. So I don't know, it's on the back burner. I'm driving the Dodge. So yeah, we're gonna go up to Chris's house and get the Lancer, take it down, get tires, drop it back off, and then go meet somebody about the Envoy. Nothing too exciting, but just kind of the final on the Lancer. I think the clutch is finally adjusted, so we'll see when I take it for a drive today. I'm hoping, because if not, then it's probably going to be a new clutch transmission, and that's about $1,000. I don't know. I don't know if that's going to be something I want to do. If I put a new clutch and transmission in, if it's going to be worth trying to resell. Alright. The Lancer. Ordered a couple parts for it. Fix that. Let's go see if we can get tires.
5 minutes later.
Alright, so Lancer's on hold. I'm gonna look for a used transmission, I think. One of Chris's trucks, badass. Another one. This is the 49 that I was talking about. Appreciate this thing. It's sick. I mean, it's pretty beat up, but well, a little bit more than pretty beat up, but yeah. It's a 49 Plymouth Deluxe. It's still got the original decals, everything. Glass is all there. Yeah, I mean, it's a cool one. He was talking about doing a Hellcat swap. I think that'd look sick. That truck there, and that truck there. Alright. That was disappointing. Yeah. Now I'm gonna go show the Envoy and see if I can get that sold, so I can at least buy another vehicle and make more money to put into this turd. I think once the motor, transmission, all in it, I think it'll be alright. Alright, so just talked to Matt. I actually have a meeting with him on Tuesday to bring the Envoy down, run the Carfax, and if he likes it, he may give me 21, and that will give me an $800 profit. So that I can handle. I can deal with that. Yeah, I can deal with that. So, but don't sell over the weekend. Thinking Tuesday, take it down there and talk to him